Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to delete spam calendar on your iPhone. So let's start. First open the calendar apps on your iPhone. Now tap on calendar at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on add calendar on bottom left corner. Now name the calendar spam. You can assign color if you want to. Now tap done on top right corner. Now tap on the I button just beside the spam calendar you just added. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on delete calendar and tap delete calendar again. And that's how you can delete spam calendar on your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.